Good morning everyone. Today I was putting my kitchen waste in my compost, so thought of showing you people how exactly I do, because many of you had some basic doubts regarding composting. So as I always tell, I use these earthen pots which have a hole at the base, and I have kept one small plate beneath, so in case some lichet or some liquid oozes out, that I use it, dilute it and use it to my plants. Now the kitchen waste, whatever I have collected, I make sure if time is there, I put it in such a basket and leave it in an open area for a day, because here I have many squirrels and crows and pigeons, so they come and feed whatever they want. And the secondly, you can say the moisture, whatever moisture, excess moisture is there in this, so by tomorrow when I put it in my composting bin, maximum of that moisture also gets dried up. Now this is our wet waste, because it has too much of moisture content in it. If you have time, try to chop it finely. If eggshells are there, break it properly, because it takes months together to break eggshells to get decomposed. So make sure you crush it nicely, and all these peels, make sure this is little on a smaller pieces. Okay. Now as a dry matter, whatever is available, I am not that particular that every time coco peat should be there. Whatever is available or it is accessible to me, I try using that. Sometimes these dry leaves, sometimes coco peat, or if these two are not there, compost, always it will be there with me. If even compost is not there, any soil whatever I have handy with me, I try to layer it with that. So what first thing I do is, suppose this is the dry matter I have taken, in this I try to take little of my kitchen waste and I'll add little of coco peat also. I mix it well, so that even if you don't have coco peat, you can use your compost or soil, whatever you have. Just mix it well, so that excess moisture whatever is there, first anyways I have kept it one day out, so it won't be much moisture in this, but still if you people don't have that much space to keep it out, no problem, you can just mix it well, and then you can put it nicely in the pot or whichever your bin is there, you can put it. Now this is basically a coconut shell. This is very difficult to get decomposed. Even if you put it in a composting bin, 4 to 5 cycles also, if you keep them putting again and again, then also it does not get decomposed. But still I prefer to add these coconut shells, few approximately 1 or 2 pieces every time I try to put it in my kitchen waste. Why? Because they absorb a good amount of moisture, and at the same time, because of those these coconut shells, there is a good amount of aeration in the pot, because see, they are all little, you can say, arch kind of a thing is there. So whenever this goes, so inside here, suppose this is my kitchen waste, the pot thing, so if it is like this, so here and here all these arch shapes, the aeration is good. So I make sure when I am sieving my compost or I am taking out my compost, these shells definitely they have not been broken out into compost. Still I reuse it in my next cycle. So I don't know, I have experienced that this really works better. And once I have put all my kitchen waste, I try to layer up again with some dry matter and try pushing it little down, so that if the yesterday's one whatever I had put, if that has started decomposing or some you can say anaerobic conditions have started developing, so that also can be taken care. So overall this is really good. Whenever I every day mostly I put it in my composting bins, so I have plenty of them. So whenever I have I keep checking that whichever has less moisture or which is little empty, so I keep changing the pot, sometimes in this, like that. I have 6 to 7. So depending upon your space, how much ever you have, you can do this. Very easy process. If you just manage the moisture, yes, within 1.5 to 2 months the compost is ready with you, and you can just enjoy the aroma of this freshly, you can say, earthy smell, and you just fall in love with it. Thank you. Bye bye.